Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the goal for these steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the goal for the steps on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you should see the health page, and on it you should see this widget right here at the top. And on this widget you should see this bar that says today's steps, and we have the amount of steps taken. You can tap on this bar to open the steps menu, and here we can find the goal progress, and next to it we have the edit button. Tap on the edit button, and right here we can adjust the goal step or step goal, and once you're done you can tap on save. As you can see, it changed, and once you're done you can close the app. And that's how you change the goal for these steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.